Good morning. Today we will discuss about CPCT exam. That means Computer Proficiency Certificate Test. Detailed syllabus for CPCT. Number first, competency and subtopics. Familiarity with computer system. Awareness about different aspects regarding computer hardware such as generation and type of computer, printer, input and output device and hardware components such as central processing unit CPU like arithmetic logic unit, control unit, memory unit, universal serial bus USB, liquid crystal display LCD, motherboard, sound card, graphics card and related concept, input device such as keyboard, mouse, light pen, touch screen, graphics tablet, joystick, microphone, optical character reader, MICR, scanner, digital or web camera, card reader, barcode reader, biometric sensor, output device such as monitor or visual display unit, printer, impact or non-impact, speaker, plotter and secondary storage device such as USB, pen drive, floppy disk, compact disc CD, digital video disc DVD, Blu-ray disc, solid state drive, etc. Awareness regarding different aspects about computer software including software categories such as system software, application software, embedded software, proficiency software, open source software, computer language such as machine level language, assembly level language, high level language, interpreter, compiler, operating system such as Windows and Linux, etc. and concept of memory unit such as bit, byte, megabyte, gigabyte, terabyte, etc. Number second, knowledge of basic computer operations. Awareness of generic step required for setting up a computer, booting and shutting down, logging on and off to a network, determining an IP address, verifying physical connectivity to a network, installing and updating software package, disabling applications from running on startup, uninstalling a software from computer, customizing desktop background, resizing window, volume controls of computer, setting up a new printer or vacuum or scanner or other peripheral device, understanding of step to protect computer from power disturbance and basic troubleshooting including power backup, awareness of system administration and security concepts such as setting, option and preference in an operating system, encryption of data, keeping personal data private and secure, creating a strong password, changing password, checking a system for bug, spyware or other malicious application for virus scanners. Awareness of concept and process related to file management, functions such as copying file to memory disk, undoing mistake using default help modules, connecting to the internet and downloading and uploading file, setup and printing of document compressing file, identifying and selecting suitable file formats and using them for transferring data. Number 3, proficiency in general IT skill. Word processing skill such as creating a document, using spelling check, creating table, working with header and footer, mail merge, document formatting, etc. and common word processing related keyboard command. Numeric skill to deal with number and digit using formula, reference, micro, table, graphs, thought, spreadsheet and common keyboard command for spreadsheet, presentation skill for sharing and understanding data in form of chart, graph and data. Internet skills such as using search engine effectively to get the best desired result within short time, uploading and downloading information from the internet and uses of internet applications such as website, browser, blog and internet service such as email, video conferencing, online collaboration, etc. Reading comprehension. Number 4, ability to read and understand passage in English, comprising question regarding locating information, identifying relationship, interpreting ideas, modes, characteristic of characters, tone of passage and getting the central themes. Mathematical and reasoning aptitude. Mathematical aptitude comprising concept from number system, fraction, sorts and decimal number series and arithmetic, percentage, profit and loss, discount, compound interest and annuities, ratio and proportion, time, work and distance. (2D and 3D figure areas and volume. Reasoning aptitude focusing on verbal and logical reasoning, focusing on deriving conclusion from logical premises of access and validity of arguments based on statement of fact, general awareness, Indian history, Indian geography, Indian economy, Indian constitution, science and technology, trends in current affair, keyboard skill, typing in English, typing in Hindi.